Well, hello and welcome, recruit. Sammy's Space Transport and Shipping will be delighted to have you on the job. For your first class on the road to the stars, we have black holes. Black holes, an ever-present staple of modern sci-fi, are real. Oh, but don't worry, they're not dangerous unless you go blindly diving headfirst into them. Now, the skeptics among you are probably saying,
Sammy, if black holes are real, then why can't I see them?
well, inquisitive recruit, let us start by saying we will not be giving you the job. As in fact, in the far gone year of 2019, we began to take pictures of the very phenomena. But really, who are we to take away the accomplishments of all the people who thought to look for this? So,
Discovery.
the topic of black holes reared its head shortly after neutron stars were confirmed to form at 1.4 solar masses. A solar mass being a star which once orbited the first bastion of humanity, Earth. To sum up the question asked, it would be, what if we added more? And so the black hole hypothesis began.
Stuff we can
Now, recruit,
see.
excuse the title card, or else. Because the first thing to look for is actually what we cannot see. You all should be smart enough by now to know that things don't just move about for no reason. So, if we see a bunch of planets flying around in circles, it's damn sure for a reason. Nowadays, we have corps like Star Art Academy tying planets together and flinging them to see what happens and how pretty it looks. Watch out for those while you're flying, by the way. But back in the day when they probably still used horses to get around, they needed to find why those planets spun. The conclusion? Something massive had to be there, obviously. For some reason, though, that just was not enough for them, and it was only when they found gravitational lensing and accretion disks that, as they used to say, the theory started to hold water. Now, recruit, the only part of black holes that should concern you is the lensing. That is a funny little phenomena where a black hole will fling the light of nearby galaxies roundabout, making phantom galaxies appear in your sight. We can't have you lost to the vacuum of space with all our valuable cargo, after all. But really, all these big words are probably too much for you, so let's try making things easier with
The models we need.
if you have ever been to the lovely beaches of Kepler 69c for a romantic vacation location, then you are most certainly familiar with the waves crashing down upon the shore. Yes, you with the question.
If any of us were that wealthy, we would not be here.
Someone throw him out the airlock. As I was saying, black holes also have waves. Now I know you're thinking, Sammy, this doesn't look like any beach picture I've ever seen. And that is because this isn't a beach. Oh, don't worry, no airlocks for any of you this time. The waves we see here are very special ones given off by two black holes that smush into each other. When they do, just like throwing a rock into still water, they make big ol' waves in the waters of space-time. These things were proven sometime long ago when some folk on Earth made what's called laser interferometer gravitational wave observatories, or LIGOs for short, and successfully predicted and detected some of these very time-space waves. Well, there you have it, recruit. Proof enough for even folks living in the Dark Ages that black holes are out there. If you still don't believe us, you know where the airlock is, and don't forget this will be on the test. Good luck, recruit, and like Sammy always says, the road to the stars is only rocky if you make a wrong turn.